Hello everyone, this is going to be a short video on how to find the fraction of an amount. Now, um, here I have a basic kind of question. What is 3/5 of 15? Now, to answer this question I need to decide, well, what do I need to know? To find 3/5, I really need to find what 1/5 is. Now, a fifth is something that has been split into 5 pieces. 15, if I split it into 5 pieces, each piece has a value of 3, because essentially I'm doing 15 divided by 5. Now, if 1/5 is worth 3, what's 3/5 going to be worth? Well, 3/5 is just 3 times 1/5, so 3 times 3 is 9. Now, there is a common rule used for this, and you've probably seen it before, and that is you divide by denominator, multiply by numerator. Divide by the bottom, times by the top, essentially. I'm going to go for a few questions just so you can see this in action. The first question, pretty straightforward, is what is 1/4 of 28? So, to get 1/4, I'm going to divide 28 by 4. 28 divided by 4 is 7. Now, at this point, I don't really have to do anything with it because, well, I've just asked for 1/4 anyway. So my answer here is going to be 7. For my next question, I've got 2/3 of 18. Well, to answer this, my first trick is going to be find 1/3. Now, 1/3 requires me to do 18 divided by 3. 18 divided by 3 is 6. So 1/3 of 18 is 6. I, however, am after 2/3. Now to get that, I'm going to be timesing whatever this number is by 2, because I'm after 2 of them. 6 times 2 is 12. So my answer is 12. I've got 2 more questions. And I realise I've skipped question 3. Awesome. Anyway, I've now got 6/8 of 64. Okay, so I first off need to find 1/8. Now to find 1/8, I'm going to be dividing 64 by 8, which is going to give me 8, coincidentally. I now want to find what 6/8 are going to be. So I need to take this value and times it by 6. 8 times 6 is 48. So my answer is, well, 48. My last question here, I've got 5/6 of 48. So, well, what's 1/6 going to be? Well, 1/6 of 48, 48 divided by 6 is 8. Well, we kind of just saw that in the previous question. The next part, I need to find what 5/6 are going to be. Well, if 1/6 is 8, times that by 5, I get 40. Which makes sense, because 5/6 of 48 is indeed 40. And that concludes our quick video. Thank you.